Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Hey, listen, got a tool I wanted to put in front of you. Everybody's been talking about it, but a lot of people the verdict is still out on it. And I wanted to shed a light on at least one feature that you absolutely should take a look at this tool to try to see if you can consider it. Let me give you a quick high level of what it is. If this is your first time to this channel, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm always coming up with different things to grow your business, different hacks. Our community is now open, and also I have a couple of master classes coming up. But listen, wanted to let you know about this tool. Now it's called SMS-IT, right? And if you look at it first, it looks overwhelming. They have a lot of stuff, and I'm not even going to say that it's the aesthetics on it look a little bit dated. I think a lot of people are saying that, but there is a lot of power behind this tool. And I'm going to try to give you just an idea of what you can do. If most people know this and some don't, but you can, if you have a Android phone, it comes with a SIM card. A SIM card can connect to a wireless tower, right, from your carrier. What this particular company does is they give you a software that you can use a SIM card that's inside of your Android phone and pass through their gateway, and allows you to send unlimited text messages. Now, if you're going to use this tool, what I recommend you do, and what I'm strongly against, is just over abusing it, because just reading up on some history of SMPP is your carrier can actually do some different things and try to throttle you down if you're sending out too many texts. And I think they said the max you can send a day, or where you stay underneath the radar, is between 7,000 and 10,000 text messages a day. But if you stay under that, you should be good to go. If you're going to do a million of them, that's just not going to work for you, because what you're doing is you're using the backbone and the carrier's backbone, right? And because they don't have, because they're already good with the tariffs and things like that across interstate lines, that allows you to get this unlimited text messages and not have to pay any of these other surcharges, because you're already passing them through your carrier. So you'll see this number here continues to go up. It doesn't matter how you use it. And what I have is I have the tier 3 plan, which is the unlimited plan. Now, a couple things, right? They have they do have a sub account. Now, I'm going to show you the sub account. The sub account is really nothing more than adding a person's email address to your bank of minutes. So it's not a true sub account. And I think they said they are working on removing the sub account. So the sub account, because if you log into the sub account, you can see some of these numbers. They could see that you have a large bank of numbers, and they'd be like, oh, I can just use all these numbers. I don't like that. I don't think I'm ready to use this for sub accounts yet. But I think to get unlimited text messages and do some of the things that you can do in this particular program is mind-boggling, right? So if nothing else, if you want to have a platform that will allow you to do unlimited text messages, not even using Twilio, and then Twilio is an option. You can plug your Twilio number in here as well. I'm not going to get to the extent of going through that, but I can use this, and I tested it out using my Twilio and using my own Android phone. So if I use Twilio, obviously I'm going to be paying, I think it's 0.00006. That's what I'll pay. But if I just use my own Android phone, I will pay nothing. They just keep tabs on the credits. They keep tabs on the credits just in case if you wanted to have a sub count, you can actually bill someone per credit. And that's way beyond the scope of this short video. Just wanted to spend a few more minutes with you. There's something powerful in here I want to show you. Let me get to it. What it is, no, I think it's the smart tools. Yeah, it's the smart tools. Again, these menus, they drop down. They're doing a lot of tweaking. They're doing a lot of things on this. The API is wide open, so you can do a lot of things and get creative on the back end. There's some things I'm gonna hack this into some other tools, but I want to show you something here really quick. I want to show you the contest, and no, I think I'm gonna show you the mobile coupons, or let me figure out which one I'm gonna show you. Hold on, because I don't want my SIM number to show up in the public. So just stand by. Yeah, so it is the, sorry about that. It is the mobile coupons. Again, you have to be careful because if any of these numbers get out, I don't want people texting off of my phone number, right? So this is the mobile coupon that I created. Now, let me show you this. If you can't think of any way to draw new business with this or be creative with this, I don't know what you can do, right? So let's look at the edit. Let me show you what I did, and I edited. So what you do is you'll come here. I edited this. This is my mobile coupon that I'm sending out. I put winner chicken dinner, right? But from this coupon, you can put in the call, website, or directions. You can plug all that in here. This is the coupon content right here. I selected this image. I just found it. This is one of my old video covers. You can put all that stuff in here, right? And this is the coupon. This is my coupon here. And if you register, so let me show you how this changes here. My lucky winner. I can change that there. My lucky winner, my lucky, let me see, person. I'll just put person there and see how that changes right there. And then this is the image that I uploaded here. You can select that and upload that. And then this is right here is winner chicken dinner. I'll put times 2. Right. And so you can win 2 chicken dinners if you win this. And so what happens is this is a coupon that you can send out via text message. You can create a Black Friday coupon from this. Right. And what I started doing on some of my capture pages, I started giving away freebies. And this is just a quick hack, you know, just that you're listening to my channel. I'm going to always try to figure out ways to kind of grow you. But what I did was I started giving out freebies, or I created a freemium, but the freemium is in exchange for a mobile number, right? I give away something that has nice value to it, not a lead magnet or anything like that, but something that has nice value to it in exchange for a mobile number. Once I get the mobile number, I can do different things like this. People read their mobile probably 10 times more than they read their email. If it's a business email, they read it. But if it's personal email, they may read it once a day or maybe once every 2 days is what I'm noticing. But if it's a business email, of course, they read it every day. But if it's a personal email, which is what we normally get if you're doing a business to consumer business, if you're doing business to consumer business, you must have the mobile number to get in front of people. So that's a tip and a pet peeve of mine. And that's what I started doing. One of the, and my calendar allows me to capture mobile numbers. So if they want to get an appointment or something like that, I capture the mobile number. Now, this is the coupon. Again, this is the mobile coupons. You can use this. You can send this out to people. Definitely works good for Black Friday, things like that. Let me show you one other thing, because I think everybody else has been showing you how it looks inside. I just wanted to show you some of the marketing features, because that's what we do here at Digital Growth Hacks. We try to help you grow your business. Let me show you one other thing before I close this out. Before I go over and show you the other tool that you can definitely use this for, I wanted to switch over to business information, because what you can do here is these are the 3 here. They can call. You have the call icon, you have the website, and you have the directions. It's all right here. The number is here. Website. Do you want to show the website icon? We can go no here. We can say no, don't show it, and it removes it right there. It's gone. Boom. This is serious, people. This is some serious stuff. You can do the website. You can put the website in there. You can say show directions icon. You can remove that. Obviously, I don't want people to go to the directions. And you can show Facebook icon. Yep. And then you can show Instagram icon. So all those are here on this coupon. This is powerful definitely for marketing, definitely for B2C. I love this tool and some of the things it can do. Now let me show you. And then there's a redemption settings. You can set the number and the code and put that in there, and so on and so forth. This is standard redemption, QR code, redirect status, so on and so forth. And so you can create a couple of these, and you can run a couple of them. You can run some to different type of, you can put them in groups. You can run one for men and one for women, right? So you can customize it. Obviously the one for women, you're going to put a nice looking young man on there. And if you're going to run one for for men, you're going to put a nice looking lady on there. Again, that's marketing. That's marketing 101. The psychology and the psychological behavior of why people purchase what they purchase. All right, so let me show you one other thing before I close this out. All right, so let me show you two more areas. Again, even just worth picking this up for, okay? So let's look, and this is all you can do here. These are the smart tools. So I showed you mobile coupons. Let me show you, I'm gonna show you the loyalty program, and I'm gonna show you contests. So let me show you that real quick. And this is all SMS, right? This is where people are actually reading your stuff and engaging with your information. So I created a contest. It's called, the keyword is count me in. So you can tell people, hey, text count me in to the whatever number you give them, what have you. So this is a contest. It's my competition. You can run it. I ran this from 421 to 423, the number of times you can enter. The contest is one time. And then this is the auto reply. Once they entered in, it says, hey, you've been entered into the contest, right? So that's just a contest you can run just literally through via text messages and text marketing, right? So then you can have the SMS loyalty program. They got the birthday program. They got a couple things here. This is the loyalty program where you have them do a list of things, right? You have them do a list of things, add points. You now have such and such points. You have one step closer to your reward. So you can tell them, hey, listen, go to my Instagram page, put the hashtag this, hashtag that, or what have you. And that can be part of it. And then you can reward them points. For SMS marketing, this program is going to be your friend. Even if they don't have the sub accounts quite set up yet, and they are going to separate that out, this is still powerful for your own self, for your business marketing. So you can do that. And then what it does is, this is the keyword. They can text in, what's my status? And then it'll return this message, hi. And then it gives them a name. It uses these codes. You now have such points. You are one step closer to your reward. And again, this is a rewards program, loyalty. You're making people go to your website. You're making them go to your YouTube channel. You're making them go to your Facebook page. You're making them go to your Instagram page. You're making them go to your Twitter page, making them leave a hashtag, letting them know, hey, I just joined in this program. This is crazy. So you actually could run all of these programs at the same time. All right, you can run them all at the same time, right? And you got the loyalty program. Again, you can do the birthday wishes. You can set that up, put that on auto feed as well. But again, because you have unlimited minutes, you can run all of these at the same time. People, I got to tell you, like, I'm still learning more and more about this tool. But the things that I've learned, the things that I've seen, the power on the back end, and I see what they're doing. The technology they're using is they're using your regular Android phone. And what they're doing is they're running their gateway on your phone, and it's passing through your, it's using your SIM card to pass through to get to the wireless network that's on your carrier. And because everybody has unlimited minutes, a less expensive way to do this, and probably more, I guess you would say, more prudent way to do this at this particular time, is you just go get a Android phone from Mint Mobile or something like that. Boost Mobile or something like that, where it's $15 a month, unlimited texting. You run that, get the SIM card off the back, run the SMS gateway software through that, and you will have unlimited minutes, unlimited people, unlimited voice, unlimited text, unlimited fax minutes. This has been Jenny Jones looking at SMS-IT. Again, everybody else is doing all these other videos. I am about the marketing. I am about growing your business. You guys stay tuned. I'm going to be doing something else pretty big coming up. Thank you for joining me here today. You guys be safe out there. Goodbye for now.